In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage the layering of elements in Canva, specifically focusing on how to send elements to the back in your designs. Let's dive right in and make those design workflows a little easier for everyone. First things first, let's ensure we're at the right starting point. You want to open up Canva and make sure you're on your Canva homepage. This is where all your creative energies can truly come to life, as it provides a gateway to all of your existing designs and brand new projects. If you haven't already logged in, just enter your credentials and you should be good to go. Now, when working on a design, you'll often have multiple elements on your canvas. These could be images, text, shapes, or any other graphical element that Canva offers. Occasionally, you might find that the arrangement or order of these elements just doesn't give you the look you are going for. This is where sending an element to the back of your design can come in handy. So here's how to do that. When you're in your design file, select the element you wish to rearrange. This could be a piece of text, a photo, or even a shape. Selecting an element is as easy as clicking on it. You'll see the borders of the selected item highlighted. With that element selected, simply right-click it. This is going to bring up a little menu with several options that allow you to manage your layers. Within that right-click menu, look for the option that says Layer. Hover over this, and another small menu will appear. Among the options, you'll find Send to Back. Go ahead and click on Send to Back, and voila, your selected element will now be behind all other objects in your design. This quick move can dramatically change the composition and look of your project, organizing elements to better suit your intended design flow. Once you have successfully dragged your element to the back, you might want to evaluate the overall layout of your design. Sometimes sending an item backward or forward can give a whole new perspective, or even spark an idea for a different composition. Remember, playing around with layer positioning is an excellent way to unlock the full potential of your Canva projects. And there you have it, you're all done. You've taken control of your Canva design layers, and now you understand how to send elements to the back, enhancing the depth and creativity of your work. Keep experimenting with layer orders to see what works best for your unique style and projects. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.